What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy, a Geek. So the question is that is New Zealand good for engineering career? Definitely, not really, to be honest with you. I mean, okay, the question is that yeah, I mean New Zealand lack like industrialization, like factories. The only engineering is software engineering. I will suggest you. I mean, don't get me wrong, but civil engineering. Ah, I mean, if you go into like Pacific engineering, such as wood engineering, there's demand, but electrical, the demands are quite low. Networking engineering is okay, the demand, but only software engineering have solid demand in New Zealand. If you really want to get a job, if you really want to get the PR, permanent residency, then go for a software engineering, because New Zealand is becoming like a software field. I mean, it's because New Zealand do not have a lot of resources, so mostly they rely on technology, so software engineering. So it was me, Jimmy Agric. Make sure to subscribe and bye. Check out the links in the description box below. If you have any more question, my email address is in the description box below. Bye.